Are you looking to ramp up employee or customer engagement? Get ready to revolutionize your approach with Wallet Factory's dynamic digital gifting platform. With our feature-rich solution, sending personalized e-gifts to your team or customers is a breeze. Picture this: Andy, a top-performing sales manager, hits his yearly sales target and is overjoyed to receive a celebratory digital gift from his boss. From virtual gift cards for popular stores to exclusive digital experiences, our platform offers a wide range of options to suit every taste. Our platform also allows you to schedule e-gifts for special occasions, manage bulk gifting effortlessly, track engagement metrics, and even integrate with your CRM system for seamless customer relationship management. But wait, there's more. Our digital gifting solution is custom-built to meet your unique needs. Andy can enjoy a hand-picked gifting selection from local partners like the coffee shop near the office, or indulge in a vast array of choices from top international brands. Managing these digital gifting campaigns is now easier than ever. Track redemption and metrics to gauge the success of your engagement initiatives with ease on our admin panel. Choose Wallet Factory's digital gifting solutions to captivate your employees and customers, anytime, anywhere. Wallet Factory, redefining engagement, one gift at a time.